I've got the two big Proboats out today. There's a lot to unpack here. We got the all the new stuff on the back of the Blackjack 42. Brock pointed out that it's probably the most upgraded Blackjack 42 there is in the world at the moment, until people start buying this stuff.
Someone did today as well. So.
Someone did, but
not the
strut. Yeah.
But everything else.
So it's got the trim tabs on there. It's got the water cooling kit, the exhaust outlets. It's got our new rudder on there with minimal play, not like the normal one. The rudder also has a kickback function. It's got the bigger inlets here than stock. What else are we doing with this rudder? Oh yeah, we've got the bracket over here to stop this from bending that way or that way. It's got the strut in it with the twin needle roller bearings. We've got our stage 4 prop on there as well. I think that covers all the upgrades. We've got an upgraded cable in there as well. So all the electronics are standard, but everything else is non-standard. Haven't used this boat since we put all this stuff on. It's probably been sitting on the shelf for 3 or 4 months at least.
Wow.
So I hope everything's going to be okay in the way I've set the strut up. I've just done that from memory from before. Supersonicwake. It's got all our stuff on the back. Big CNC trim tabs, bigger fins. It's got our strutter, which is the rudder, and strut with the roller bearings in it. Our rudder is also a kickback function that you don't get with the standard one. We've got the 55/14 1/4" prop on there, and we've got a TP 4090 motor in there now, which is 127 mils long, and we're going to run it on 12S. So let's see what it all does. We're going to race them together, so we'll just be a bit careful, and hopefully they both come back. Okay, let's go. This one's way lighter than that one's going to be. Alright, so we've got a stick over here. We've just got to try and avoid. Try and look at my boat and not yours. Whoops. Ooh. Yeah, it did what I didn't think it was going to do. That seemed faster than yesterday, Brock?
Yeah, definitely was.
Yeah.
Just trying to get away from where it's sticking. It's not quite fair. Just went back the same way that I
I saw our feathered friends going out there.
Yeah.
Careful, try not to hit that bad boy. Yeah. Kind of. Is that driving all right?
Yeah, it drives fast.
I don't know where that stick. Oh, there it is. There's the stick there. You're pretty much near it. I'll come over this side more. These ducks really need to move, don't they?
Yeah.
Like if I was them, I would. Yeah, only if one flies, the other one goes. Thank you. He doesn't know it yet, but we could have done him a massive favour, yeah.
A lifetime of favours, right? Now I've lost the stick, have you seen?
Nah, just stay inside of it. I'll come right over here. Go.
I don't know how much is in it.
Yours is way more stable, I can tell you that much. I heard that hit something then. The rudder might be kicked up. There he goes.
Oh.
Alright, so I've pulled my trim tabs down a little bit. Just, they were, you know, they were about level, I think, just doing it by eye. So I just brought them both down just a touch, so that hopefully doesn't happen again. Stick has moved out to here now, and make it a bit easier to drive. Mine's running a bit wet, but I'm not changing it.
Not?
Nah, just leave it. When you're ready, go.
That was probably the most I've seen this boat bounce, maybe ever.
Yeah. Did you actually have to back off?
I did, yeah. Just a little bit.
Better pull this up a bit. Oops, something slipped. No, bring your boat in and get the rescue boat. Oh, the propeller's still there. Ah, damn it. Ah, drive dog's just come loose. Alright, okay. No. Damn it. We might have another one.
I'll have a look.
I think we do. Well, we might. Just turned out my drive dog is no good. Just a factory one that comes on these. Should have thrown it away a long time ago and used a stainless steel one. Hoping we've got a second one in our spares, but we may not.
Doesn't look good.
Isn't it? No. Stupid thing. Well, it was fun while it was going.
Yeah.
Damn it. The smallest thing can get you. Threads are stripped inside there. Well, we might as well see how fast that went.
Oh, yeah. The camera?
Camera is on.
It is on, yeah. 102.
102. Yes.
Oh,
We cracked 100.
Done it.
Well, that was worth it. Is anything hot? Alright, might let it go a bit long. Just put the lid back on, I'll go for a few laps.
Probably wasn't any hotter than really yesterday.
By far as fast as, well, 3 kilometres an hour faster than we've had it, but that was 99 was a super hot setup that cooked the motor. So this is what we want. Where's that stick?
Pretty bouncy, so just be aware of that.
Is that?
Yeah, but you censored it out, but it's not unknown.
Ah, I must have moved that strut a bit when I put that cable in.
Yeah, maybe. Try that.
Just try winding it down a bit. Alright, so move that down a touch. Probably too much. The stick has disappeared. Worries me.
All the way over there.
Oh, okay. Turns so much better than the Blackjack.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've probably got the strut higher than it was when it was running perfect.
Yeah.
So we try and go in between. Okay, so funnily enough, we've actually pulled it up because it looked like it needed to go down, but when I checked it just before we came out, everything was pretty much level. So I'm just going to put it where I know it was. Whoop. Ah,
It's a weird one.
yeah.
Might just be the extra speed, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Even at that speed, it's bouncing around. It definitely didn't do anything with the trim tabs.
I think the other thing you can do is slide the batteries forward a little bit more in the tray. But I did put them where I put them yesterday.
Yeah.
But there's room to go forward in the tray.
Okay. Do that. Imagine if that fisherman was over there today, Brock. He'd be freaking out.
Having the time of his life. What? Well, he might be able to do that one.
Like that. Yeah. Well. Yeah, helped a little bit, but very strange. Ah, she's low voltage.
Yeah, it was probably pushing it anyway.
Yeah, done a few laps. Oh, we didn't bring the temp gun. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Oh, the motor's cold.
Yeah.
Speed controller cold.
Yeah, only it's just slightly warm.
Yeah.
Not. You'd never think about it, you know?
All right.